Guys, so today we've reached our limit with the heat. We're gonna try to make this thing work for us. It looks pretty big for this little SUV. All right guys, let's get into this. So, all kinds of styrofoam. I don't know how the heck we're gonna get it out since the ceiling's like right here. I'll take it out on the ground maybe. So 70 years of cool living, well. So it looks like there's a drain hose, a plug, and then this type of plug for this something. I'm not sure what that is. Okay guys, this is the most confusing thing I've ever had because the user manual sucks. So yeah, well the user manual basically, this isn't sponsored. Like I have no affiliation with this at all. I just bought it and was just gonna share what we were going through. But it basically tells you have this piece, the main unit, right here, these three things, and then this exhaust thing. There's no intake. I guess the intake is through here, maybe. This is the intake, maybe through here. This is the exhaust, and then a drain tube. This battery pack that it doesn't mention at all in the book, nor in the description when I bought it. So I guess it's a rechargeable battery pack, so it must last some hours, but we're gonna turn it on and see if it actually is gonna do it without having this piece plugged into electric, since it says that it's like fully charged type thing. I have no clue what we're doing. We're gonna give it a whirl. Here we go. We got drain thing hooked up and just have it on the outside. Battery thing is here, buttons are here, and I need light to see what I'm looking at. Let me see. There we go. So, power. Do I just push it, or do I have to hold and push it, or for power?
Good question. I need the menu.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Light. Nothing's happening on the batteries. So, or on the batteries. On the buttons. Do I like push and hold it?
So, press the button to turn the machine on and off. The standby display shows the red light and the operation displays blue light.
Nothing's happening.
That's not good.
So it means, I guess, you have to have it plugged in, which is weird because why would you need the battery then? Why is there a rechargeable battery? So here we go. Here's the external. We're just doing a test. Poorly made. Unfortunately, you can't like squeeze it. It's extremely tough. How it's cut right here, I can literally get cut on it. It's like no protection. It's like tough plastic. So we had to plug it into the battery, and the battery says that it can only be like 5 hours. So it's very nice outside. Actually, my box is going to go flying off the roof because the wind has picked up. It's getting hotter.
It's at 72 now.
We closed up the windows and the doors closed. Started out at 60 something and now it's 72. So interesting. It's going to cool off the more I open the doors because it's cooler outside now than it was when we started this.